So I do just have to talk to you before I ask you any kind of question.
Hey, I just want to say this. So that's the guy that owned the car. That's his dog. If you did not see what this guy looked like, and you're like, hey, can you draw from life experience what you think the owner of this neglected animal being left in a hot car would look like, and he lives in Florida, could you not have drawn from memory or from lived experience exactly what we see in front of us right now?